Hi everyone. In today's video on ship stability, I have another question for you from Captain Subramaniam's ship stability series. The chapter is chapter 7, which deals with final kg by moments about keel. So this is from exercise 7 and this is question number 7. Let's get into the question straight away. There is a ship of 2,600 tons displacement, kg 4.88 meters, which is going to be loading 4,600 tons of homogeneous cargo, kg 5 meter. You have to find out how much deck cargo, which is to be loaded at kg 10 meters, may be loaded to obtain a final kg of 5.11 meters. So remember that if there is a single weight involved, we use the GG1 formula to find the shift in the center of gravity. But when there are multiple weights involved, with multiple weights, remember that more than one weight. So when multiple weights are involved, we use moments about keel. So moments about keel means that we find out the effect that the cargo will have on the ship's center of gravity with respect to the ship's keel. Right. So in this question, what you have to do is basically find out the weights. Firstly, make columns. So write down the weights, then write down the kg, and then write down the moments. Now here all the weights are being loaded, so that all those weights are going to be acting on the ship's center of gravity. So we'll just keep a single column of moments, which is for, of course, all loading moments. All right, there's no discharging here going on. So the first weight that you will put up here is your ship's displacement. Let me change the color of the pen a little bit. 2,600 tons. Remember, all weights are in tons, and we will multiply it with the ship's kg to begin with, 4.88, and we'll get the first moment as 12,688, and this is ton meter. The next weight, which is again a loading operation, is 4,600 tons. You multiply it with the kg at which it is placed, that is 5 meter, and you get your next moment, that is 23,000 ton meter. And the third weight is something that you don't know, so we will call it weight x, and we will multiply it with the supposed kg at which it is supposed to be placed at 10 meters. So kg is all in meters, and because we don't know the weight, this will be 10x ton meter. All right, then what we'll do is we'll load the weights together and we will add the weights together and we'll add the moments together. So here, of course, you will add 2,600 plus 4,600, which is 7,200, and you cannot add x because you don't know what x is, so we'll leave it as plus x. This is, of course, the final weights, and the final moments will be 12,688 plus 23,000, that will be 35,688 plus 10x, because you cannot add 10x to 35,688 since you don't know the value of x. So the final kg that you want actually is given to you already, is 5.11 meters, but this is also equal to the final moments divided by the final weight. Alright, so this is, of course, final moments and this is final weight. So 5.11 meter is equal to final moments, which is equal to 35688 plus 10x divided by 7200 plus x. Alright, so we'll take this here and this becomes 5.11 7200 plus x equals 35688 plus 10x. We just switch this around, so what we can do is we can write this as 35688 plus 10x. I'm just switching it around, and this is 5.11 equals 7200 plus x. All right, just switched it around, and that will make it easy for us. So 35688 plus 10x equals 36792 plus 5.11x. So you have to multiply 5.11 with 7200 as well as with x. All right, that goes without saying. Then we can write this as 10x minus 5.11x. So we'll bring 5.11x on the left hand side, and we'll take this number to the right hand side. So this becomes 36792 minus 35688. So this gives you 4.89x, and this gives you 11,004. So x is equal to 1104, not 11,000, 4.89, which is equal to 225.77 tons. So that means if you load a weight of 225.77 tons here, instead of x we load 225.77 tons at a kg of 10 meters, your final kg found by moments will be equal to 5.11 meter. All right, so this was a simple straightforward question. I'll take up another question and you can see that in my next video. Thank you and bye for now.